Take a closer look. This isn't man-made. It's the masterpiece of a bird. Meet the satin bowerbird. What it's building isn't a nest. It's a love pavilion. To impress a female, everything must be flawless. Every stick placed with precision, nothing random. Once the structure is complete, it cleans the backyard carefully. Quite the challenge, especially for a bird with no hands. Finally, it's spotless. Perched high, it begins singing, calling for love. But no luck. Instead, rival birds arrive. Clearly more preparation is needed. So it gathers leaves and begins redecorating, shifting them meticulously, searching for that perfect spot. Then it adds 2 tiny blue berries, the final touch. Effort pays off. A female arrives to inspect. She responds to his call, a promising start, but how to invite her in? He enlarges his pupils, creating a dramatic contrast in his eyes. It works. She's intrigued and steps closer, but he overdoes it. She feels pressured and flies away. He's baffled but refuses to give up. He grabs a berry and tries a gentler approach. This time, success. She enters the pavilion. Now it's showtime. He dances, swift, flawless, mesmerizing. She's in awe. Then he shakes his golden feathers elegantly and uniquely, and finally performs one stunning, bizarre move. In the end, he wins her heart.